To monitor Google Analytics 4 setup, start by ensuring you have a Google Analytics 4 property set up in your account. Log in to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. Here you will see a list of all your properties. Click on the property you want to monitor. Next, verify that the Google Analytics 4 tracking code is installed on your website. This code is usually installed in the header of your website and is used to track user interactions. You can verify this by viewing the source code of your website or by using the Google Tag Assistant. Once you have verified the tracking code, navigate to the Reports section of your Google Analytics 4 property. Here you will see an overview of your website's traffic, including the number of users, sessions, and bounce rate. You can also view more detailed reports on user demographics, behavior, and technology. To monitor specific events or conversions on your website, set up events and conversions in the Configure section of your Google Analytics 4 property. For example, you can set up an event to track when a user fills out a form or makes a purchase. You can also set up conversions to track when a user completes a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter. To track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, set up UTM parameters in your campaign URLs. This will allow you to track the performance of your campaigns in Google Analytics 4. You can also use the campaign report to compare the performance of different campaigns. Best practices for monitoring Google Analytics 4 setup include regularly checking your tracking code to ensure it is working correctly, setting up events and conversions to track specific user interactions, and using UTM parameters to track the performance of your marketing campaigns. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Google Analytics 4 setup and gain valuable insights into your website's traffic and user behavior.